sad movies always make me cry. Instead I had to work, so I went to the show alone. They turned down the light and turned the projector on. And just as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my darling and my best friend walk in. Though I was sitting there, they didn't see. And so they sat right down in front of me. When he kissed her lips, I almost died. And in the middle of the chorus cartoon, I start to cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. So I got up and slowly walked on home. And Mama showed the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And so to keep from telling her a lie, I just said sad movies make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sad movies make me cry.